Here I have ASUS ZenFone AR, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So basically how to erase all temporary cache files on this device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key from the following menu. Let's choose power off and tab OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as Android logo pops up on the screen. And this is the Android no command picture, so you have to start holding right now the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. This is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and simply press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down to yes and press power button to choose it. Right now the device is whipping the cache files, formatting the temporary cache files, and as soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's simply press power key to reboot system now. And the ASUS ZenFone AR is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed and until you will see the home screen of your ASUS smartphone. That's it, now you can use your device, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.